October 7th, I was on a vacation in Italy. Imagine the shock of going from relaxing fun to battlefield readiness. I was called up to the north, where I served for 2.5 months. It was and remains an emotional time. Many of my friends in Golani have been killed. We were glad to learn that the university granted us tuition grants for all 7,000 university reservist students. It meant one less thing to worry about, and we felt that we weren't in this alone.
I flew in to Tel Aviv on October 5th with my wife to prepare for and begin my master's in emergency management program at Lowy International School. But with classes delayed and the campus empty, we began looking for ways to do our part and help out. We formed a student task force to battle misinformation online with about 50 TAU international students from 9 countries. And it wasn't just us. With help from the amazing global community, the university prepared and sponsored tons of activities for students, faculty, and staff to volunteer. Thousands of us worked on farms, factories, in schools, and evacuee centers, helping displaced families, farmers from the south, struggling businesses, and soldiers.
In just 3 months, the university opened up an emergency PTSD clinic to help our country with this enormous tragedy. We opened our doors on January 1st and have been treating almost 90 patients per week, including soldiers, civilians, and also students.
Returning to studies have been really challenging, but everyone, our professors, the university, and caring donors all around the world are doing everything they can to help us get back to our lives and succeed.
Thank you.
Merci.
Muchas gracias. Toda raba. Thank you.